Today is going to be LinuxMint bootcamp day 5. Yesterday we went ahead and installed the browser.sh script that that allowed us to go ahead and put in the browser on the workspace number 1. Similarly, what I've done is following the exact same steps, put in the geany.sh, which Geany is the editor that I'm using here, and that's been placed in a workspace. Although it says number 4, it's actually been placed in number 5, which is right here, and that's where I'm recording this from. So we're gonna today create a small script called close-all.sh. And right now we have under bin on my home folder, the .local bin, we have only browser and Geany, but we're going to create this, and what this script will allow us to do is to close all the applications, whether in other workspaces, an important thing is it'll do it safely. So if you have some unfinished or unsaved file in Geany, it'll give you a chance to save it before it actually closes all the files. So that's been very helpful, and we can also put that in a keyboard binding. So the first step is to go ahead and copy from before here, and because this is what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it here under. So today is close all, so we're gonna just put it here, and we've already made the bin folder because we're already on the bin, so we don't need this part. And that, but we need to get into the bin first, and then touch not the browser.sh, but what we're gonna do is close all sh and chmod close all sh, and we're gonna open the close all sh file in Geany right here. So that's what we'll need to do, and so let me just go ahead and copy this, and then we'll need to put it in the terminal. So I'm just going to activate my terminal with a super T, and we're just going to copy that. Middle mouse click works in this case, and then we should have a the close all open right here. So, and here is close all, so it's opened, and then we have close all file here, and I'll just copy it, and then we're gonna put that in the close all sh. Okay, so I'll put that under description, and then we're gonna save everything. Okay, so then what we can do is open up a terminal again, simply close all sh, and it should close everything. So not only this Geany, but the file, the Nemo, and then also browser that's actually open. So we'll just go ahead and do that right now, and then it gives you a terminal will kill it. So we're just gonna realize that terminal is still open, so we'll just go ahead and close the terminal. Okay, so everything worked. Keyboard binding, so just gonna keyboard binding close all. What we need to do is go to the shortcuts, and then custom shortcuts, and then I have a browser that we went through the bootcamp series 4 as how I created it. And the Geany also is bound to super E key Now what we want to do is add the close all. So close all sh, close all.sh, and we're gonna add, and then I'll just click unassigned and then click it again, and then I'll just go ahead and assign shift super and X, shift super and X. Okay, so now we're gonna test it again, shift super X now, so it closes everything. So that worked. Okay, I'll go through start.sh. So just gonna make another quick script that uses close all. So what this will do is it closes all the open application and then starts browser and Geany. We can set it up so it starts browser and Geany, and I think this really I frequently use it. So if you're on Firefox for all day and have multiple tabs open and so on, and you're also working on listening to music with a music player and Geany and Libre Office Writer and so on, what you can do is just go ahead and close all really quickly and just start use the start.sh just to start the browser in Geany, for example. So we'll go through the similar steps again. So we're just going to use this again and then modify it. So we'll just go ahead and grab it and then open up the terminal, and then we're just going to middle click, and then we already, what we want to do at this time is start.sh, and then start.sh again. This makes it executable. And then we're just gonna have it opened in Geany, start.sh. Okay, and then we'll just click. So now we have the start.sh. Now I'm gonna cheat again and open up Nemo and then go to. So after that's done, you can see that the start.sh has been opened, but I'm just gonna cheat here and just going to copy from the start.sh that I had saved before. So we'll just go ahead and save, copy, and then we're just going to click and then the middle mouse click, and it's so what this start.sh that's in the local bin directory here is going to close all the applications that are open safely, and then it's going to give a little bit of delay and then sleep 1 second delay and then start geany.sh, which is going to place Geany here on the 5th workspace, and then it's also going to delay a little bit more and then start the browser here on workspace 1. So now we're just going to close, we'll just leave it open. So I guess and then what we'll try to do is see if this works. If this doesn't work, you may have to log out and log in again, but let's see if this works. So if it works, it's going to close not only a browser, it's going to reopen it. So we'll just go to the browser and close this first, and then go back, and then we're just going to go ahead and start. So it's going to give you this this is what, that's fine, it just overrides it, and you can see that it's actually opening in browser, which is fine, and this is what we should have opened the so that's you won't get that little warning so once we get it all finished. So now this works. Okay, what we can do now is bind this start.sh to the keybind, and then go to the shortcuts again and then custom, and then we're going to add a custom. So start.sh, start.sh, and add, and then here we're just going to assign super and I. So super and I is going to So right now we can just test it. So we're on keyboard the workspace 5, which say if this works with the super and I, it will open the browser and also open the Geany here. So we're just gonna leave everything and we're just gonna simply call the keyboard super and I. So yes, so everything works. The browser gets started, and then Geany it opens, and all the other applications are closed.